IPL match is going to start on 28th of this month. Karnataka State Cricket Association has not providing the tickets for the MLAs, ministers and their families. See, they are taking all the facilities from the government. They're getting all the securities, everything. They are taking all the facilities from the government, but they are not respecting the MLAs. They are not issuing the tickets. Even they are telling online. Online is all we know. It's all the black market. They are taking in the online. Their bookies are there. They are selling it in a black. One ticket which is cost 5,000 rupees, we are buying it for 35,000 rupees. So there is no facilities for the MLAs and ministers. So we requested the government. Opposition leader has raised the issue in the assembly. So I also supported that, and we requested our speaker to take necessary action against them and issue the ticket, minimum 5 tickets for the MLAs, and they have to make a separate sitting arrangement there. We are VIPs. We can't go in the queue and stand there. We went last time, we were standing in the queue. They are sending us in some gallery with the public. It's not going to happen. So they have to have certain respects. So they have to take a necessary action. We requested our Deputy CM. He also promised us he'll solve this problem and get the tickets for us and make a separate statement for us for a sitting arrangement in the stadium.